So today we're going to be talking tax and all things tax related. So we're going to be discussing three different types of tax. Those are income tax, national insurance and VAT or value added tax. So a tax is a compulsory financial charge, so it's money that you have to pay. So first up, let's talk about income tax and what that actually means. So income tax is probably one of the main forms of tax you're going to be paid in your life. So what will happen is you'll get a job. Once you have that job, they will give you an income. So they'll give you money for your services, so money for doing that job. So as soon as you get paid an income of over $12,500, you start paying 20% income tax. So the first $12,500 you earn is tax-free. We call that a personal allowance. However, between $12,501 and £50,000, you're going to pay 20% tax. And when you earn over £50,000, you're going to pay 40% tax. So let's look at how that actually works. So if you're paid £25,000 a year, the first $12,500 is tax-free. So you pay tax on the remaining $12,500 and you pay 20%. So let's work that out by working out 10% first. So 10% of 12,500 is 1,250. But we want to times that by 2 because we want to work out 20%. So 1,250 times 2 is 2,500. So if you're paid a salary of £25,000, you're going to pay income tax of £2,500 a year. Next up is national insurance. So remember, an insurance is when you get provided with protection when things go wrong. So the government needs money to provide protection. So on the money you earn over £183 a week, you're going to pay 12% national insurance. So let's say you earn £500 a week. Well, the first £183 is tax-free. So the national insurance you'll be paying is on the £317. Now, remember, we've got to work out 12%. So again, we'll start with 10%. So 10% of 317 is £31.70. We then want to work out 2%. So we'll start by 1%. So 1% of 317 is £3.17. £3.17 times 2 is £6.34. So we'll add those two together, the 10 and the 2, and we'll get £38.04p. So £38.04p will go to the government in national insurance. And the government's going to spend that on things like healthcare to protect us. Last up, let's talk about value added tax or VAT. So that is the tax on sale of goods. So every time we buy something, they're going to pay a tax. So shops are going to give the government money for the things you buy. So every time you buy something, 20% of that goes to the government. So here we've got some chocolate bars and sweets. So let's see that in action. So let's say that the chocolate bar is worth 80p. So 10% of 80p is 8p. Remember, we want to work out 20% though, so 8p times 2 is 16p. So 16p is going to go to the government. So remember, 20% on everything you buy. So just a reminder today, we've looked at income tax, national insurance and VAT, all big forms of tax. Thank you very much for listening.